Hello everyone, welcome to Merit Article. Today, we're delving into the 12 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s, essential knowledge for a solid financial foundation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Let's jump right in. Number 1, neglecting emergency savings. Failing to set aside money for unexpected emergencies is a common financial blunder. Think of your emergency savings as a financial safety net. It's like having a financial cushion to fall back on when life throws unexpected expenses your way, such as medical bills or sudden car repairs. Imagine this, you've got some money saved up for those rainy days. It's like keeping cash under your mattress, but safer and smarter. Now, why is this important? Well, it prevents you from getting trapped in a cycle of debt. If you don't have emergency savings, you might have to rely on expensive loans or credit cards to cover unexpected costs, and those can really add up. Here's the bottom line, having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for life's surprises. It's like having an umbrella when it starts to rain. So, make it a financial priority to stash away some cash for emergencies. It's a simple yet crucial step towards securing your financial future. Number 2, overspending on credit cards. Using credit cards excessively can lead to financial trouble. These little pieces of plastic can be handy, but they come with a catch: high interest rates if you don't pay your bills on time. It's like borrowing money and promising to pay it back later, but with extra costs attached. The key here is to spend within your means, which means only charging what you can afford to pay off when the bill arrives. The financial theory at play is straightforward, it's all about managing your cash flow. If you overspend on your credit cards, you might end up in a never-ending cycle of debt, paying more in interest than you bargained for. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it, your hard-earned money just keeps draining away. So, remember, using credit cards wisely is crucial for your financial well-being. Number 3, not budgeting. Budgeting might sound boring, but it's like having a roadmap for your money, and it's essential for financial success. It's simply a plan that outlines how you'll spend your money each month, covering everything from bills to savings and entertainment. The beauty of budgeting is that it helps you keep track of your spending and ensures you don't run out of money before the month is over. It's like setting limits on your spending so you can achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. In the world of finance, budgeting is like your compass, guiding you toward financial stability. It's a fundamental step that helps you take control of your money and make it work for you, not against you. So, don't skip this financial practice, it's the key to financial freedom. Number 4, ignoring retirement savings. When it comes to retirement savings, procrastination can be a costly mistake. The concept here is simple. The sooner you start saving for retirement, the better off you'll be. Imagine your retirement savings as a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow and provide shade when you need it most. Financial experts often talk about the power of compounding, which is like your money earning interest on interest. By starting early, you harness this financial force to build a comfortable retirement nest egg. It's like planting seeds in fertile soil. Your savings grow over time, so you can enjoy a secure and stress-free retirement. Don't wait, start today to reap the rewards tomorrow. Moreover, many employers offer retirement plans with employer contributions, so by neglecting retirement savings, you might miss out on free money that can significantly boost your future financial security. Number 5, living beyond your means. Living beyond your means is a bit like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. This common financial mistake happens when you spend more money than you earn, relying on loans or credit cards to bridge the gap. It's like borrowing from your future self to pay for today's desires. The problem with this approach is that it can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt, making it difficult to achieve your financial goals. It's essential to match your spending with your income, creating a balanced financial picture. Think of it as building a strong financial foundation. When you live within your means, you can save for the future and avoid the stress of overwhelming debt. So, remember, financial security begins with living within your budget, and it's a key step toward achieving your financial dreams. Number 6, skipping health insurance. Skipping health insurance can be a risky move. It's like driving without a seatbelt. You might be okay for a while, but when an accident happens, the consequences can be financially devastating. Health insurance is your safety net when it comes to medical expenses, covering a significant portion of your healthcare costs. In the world of finance, this is about risk management. Medical emergencies can result in hefty bills, and without insurance, you might end up draining your savings or going into debt. It's important to remember that a little financial protection today can save you from a mountain of debt tomorrow. So, make sure you have adequate health insurance coverage to safeguard both your health and your finances. Moreover, some countries have laws and regulations that require individuals to have health insurance, and not having it can result in penalties or fines. It's not just about financial security, it's often a legal requirement that you must fulfill to avoid potential legal consequences. Number 7. Not investing. Not investing your money is like burying treasure in your backyard and forgetting about it. You're missing out on an opportunity for your money to grow over time. Investing is like planting seeds in a garden. With care and patience, those seeds, your investments, can turn into a flourishing financial future. One of the fundamental concepts here is the time value of money. Money you invest today has the potential to earn more money over time, thanks to factors like compound interest. By not investing, you're essentially leaving your money on the table, and it's not working as hard as it could for you. In a nutshell, investing is a smart way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, funding your child's education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Start investing wisely, and you'll reap the rewards down the road. Number 8. Not diversifying investments. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket drops, you lose all your eggs. In the world of finance, this is similar to not diversifying your investments. Diversification is like spreading your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce the risk of losing all your money at once. A key concept here is risk mitigation. Different types of investments have varying levels of risk and return potential. By diversifying, you aim to balance your risk, ensuring that if one investment performs poorly, others may perform better, thus stabilizing your overall portfolio. Investing all your money in a single asset class is like playing a high-stakes game with your financial future. Diversification is a smart strategy that can help protect your investments from the ups and downs of the market. It's like having multiple safety nets to catch you if you fall. So, remember, don't put all your financial hopes in one place. Diversify your investments wisely to achieve a more secure financial future. Number 9. Ignoring tax efficiency. When it comes to managing your finances, understanding the tax implications of your decisions is crucial. Ignoring tax efficiency is like leaving money on the table that you could keep in your pocket. Different investments and financial strategies have varying tax consequences, and being aware of these can help you minimize your tax bill. One important principle in tax efficiency is tax deferral. By using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, you can legally postpone paying taxes on your investment gains until retirement, potentially saving you a substantial amount of money over the long term. Furthermore, knowing tax credits and deductions available to you can reduce your overall tax liability. For instance, contributing to a health savings account, HSA, can not only help cover healthcare costs, but also provide a tax deduction. In summary, understanding tax efficiency is like playing a strategic game with your money to legally reduce your tax burden. It's not about avoiding taxes, but rather making informed decisions that can save you money and maximize your wealth over time. Number 10. Taking on too much debt. Accumulating excessive debt is like carrying a heavy burden that can weigh you down financially. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or personal loans, taking on too much debt can lead to financial stress and hamper your ability to achieve your financial goals. Financial experts often talk about the debt-to-income ratio, which is like a measure of your financial health. When this ratio is too high, it can become challenging to make your monthly payments, and it may even impact your credit score. Moreover, debt comes with interest, and the longer you take to pay it off, the more interest you'll accumulate. This can significantly increase the total cost of the debt. Prioritizing debt repayment is like lifting a weight off your shoulders, allowing you to redirect your money towards saving and investing for your future. In conclusion, managing debt wisely is a key aspect of financial success. It's about finding a balance between borrowing for essential needs and avoiding excessive debt that can hinder your financial progress. Number 11. Not building credit. Overlooking the importance of building a good credit history can limit your financial opportunities. Your credit score is like your financial report card, and it plays a significant role in your financial life. It affects your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even influences the interest rates you're offered. Building credit is about demonstrating your financial responsibility. By making on-time payments on credit cards, loans, and bills, you show lenders that you're a trustworthy borrower. It's like earning a good reputation in the financial world. One valuable concept here is the credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Maintaining a low credit utilization ratio is like keeping your financial house in order and can boost your credit score. In essence, building good credit is like opening doors to better financial opportunities. It can help you qualify for lower interest rates, save money on loans, and even secure housing or employment. So, don't underestimate the significance of building and maintaining a strong credit history for your financial future. Number 12. Failing to plan for the future. Failing to plan for your financial future is like setting sail without a destination. Without clear financial goals and a plan to achieve them, you risk drifting aimlessly and missing out on opportunities to secure your future. Financial planning involves setting specific objectives, whether it's buying a home, saving for your children's education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. It's like creating a roadmap to turn your dreams into reality. One key principle in financial planning is paying yourself first, which means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before covering other expenses. This ensures that you prioritize your financial future. In summary, financial planning is like setting the course for your financial ship. It helps you make informed decisions, save, invest, and build wealth over time. Don't wait, start planning today to secure a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching this informative video on the 12 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. We hope you found these insights valuable. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Merit Article, and ring the notification bell. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.